Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 8, Your Lordship. Pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
No objection.
2 weeks in the prayer of the petitioner.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship.
Yes.
Due to personal liberties, Lordship. After 2 weeks, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 10, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Criminal appeal.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why you are asking time in criminal appeal?
So to not prepare today, Your Lordship.
In fact, here in this case, a lesser sentence was imposed on the accused, and the hearing was also
Lesser
done that.
sentence than prescribed by law.
No, my lord, the sections were changed to lesser punishment. So there was a preliminary round of hearing also on the legality of the judgment passed. So it was upheld.
Charge
by
was
this.
altered.
Yes, ma'am. We'll refresh, my lord.
This on the 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The prayer may not be of the appellant. Just after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obvious.
Similar prayer for item number 12, Your Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Same order. Yes.
Much obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Yes. 2 weeks on the request menu.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Lordship, item number 5. Your Lordship, pray for 1 week's time.
See, these are the matters. These are just listed for no purpose. It's every time it is listed, adjournment is asked.
Short time will be allowed.
If you do not have a real will to pursue the matter, why to keep it pending? Close the matter. This is a service matter.
Knockmanship, Lordship. Regarding knockmanship.
Nakmas. This is a case of 2016.
Lordship. Quite old.
Almost 10 years.
Yeah.
Yes.
I have no objection. Let it be after 2 weeks, Lordship. 1 week, if they are joining it.
So the prayer of the petitioner, not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondent, list after 2 weeks.
I am
Yes.
correspondent for Your Lordship.
Yes, just
Much obliged.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
Mention for item 6, Your Lordship.
yes.
PDCL and PDCL. Shiva, I'm seeking some accommodation, Your Lordship. 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, may be given.
This. Who is appearing for the respondent?
Behalf of the Power Corporation.
Yes. Any objection to the prayer?
They had to, my lords, produce some documents by virtue of your lordship's last to last order, dated 3/7/2025.
What the order says, Mr. Pandey?
My lords, it says that after considering the submissions made by the parties, it appears that production of MEPTCL's one-time settlement scheme of 2020 as reflected in memo number so and so is necessary. Learned counsel of the petitioner shall produce a copy of the aforesaid scheme
We're seeking
on the
some
next
time, Your
day.
Lordship, for that. Required some instruction, Your
If your
Lordship.
case is based on that scheme, then that
Lordship. Required to take some instruction, Your Lordship. So,
instruction.
Yes,
You are
Lord.
supposed to give the
yes, Lordship.
produce the scheme. What
Yes,
instruction is needed then? The compliance of order is not dependent on your instruction. Yes, they write the same order. 2 weeks, but not objected to by the respondent. Prayer of the petitioner. Yes.
Lovely.
The list, item number 1.
Be right.
Please, Your Lordship. fresh steps have been taken on the complainant, the respondent number 2. But however, as per the portal, it's still in transit, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, can you allow me to obtain the specific address of the complainant so I can take fresh steps on him?
You're supposed to file an affidavit. We're going to
Your Lordship, but then it's still in transit, Your Lordship. It's not completed yet. It's somewhere in Guwahati right now.
And where is the address of, what is the address of respondent
The
number 2?
address is, as per his complaint petition, it's in Garwils, Your Lordship.
It goes via Guwahati.
That's how it's showing in the portal.
Okay, then we'll give you some more time to verify the status.
Your Lordship, I pray that the interim may continue.
Just say in the main date petition, petitions on the prayer, landed counsel for the petition, for the 2 weeks time is granted to verify, granted for verification of status of service of notice upon the respondent number 2 and for filing an affidavit to that effect. List accordingly. Then in the interim, where is that case? This case is there. Yes, just say, repeat this thing. Last order. Disseminate the main case. Interim order, if any, shall continue till the next item.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
I am appealing on behalf of the respondent of 4 Ulysses.
Yes.
So I filed my just some synopsis here as a defense.
Oh, you will enter appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4.
Yes, Ulysses.
And
Union Public Service Commission.
you will file your affidavit?
I have finally received this response to it.
You are yet to obtain instruction.
No, yeah, I have filed my instruction by affidavit. I filed what's the instruction, and if details affidavit required, then we'll file later on. But we are given the
You have already filed affidavit in this
yes,
matter?
yes, Ulysses, yesterday.
Your Lordship, we've received a copy just now.
Okay. So you have filed it only today, or?
Yesterday I filed, but I was not having the petitioner, so given the state.
Okay. Till the last date, your appearance was not recorded.
Yes, Ulysses.
And now you have filed the affidavit before appearance.
Yes. No, Ulysses, because I got the instruction to
That is
appear.
all right. That is all right, but then there is no appearance for you on the last date. We can understand that. Okay, and what about this date?
Your Lordship, we just received our instructions, so I pay for 2 weeks' time.
You are not filing any affidavit. Okay, just say Mr. R. Devnath, Landed Counsel. This is the WPC number 242. Mr. R. Devnath, Landed Counsel, applying for the respondent number 4. Submits that. An affidavit on behalf of the said respondent has already been filed. Stop. Yes. Nangrum, Learned G, appearing for the response number 2. Before that, you just say Mr. Snaithang, Learned Counsel appearing for the response number 3, submits that the affidavit is required to be filed on behalf of the response number 3 stuff. Then you say, however, MS Nagram Learned G appearing for the response number 1 and 2. Praise for grant of how much? 2 weeks? 2 weeks time for filing affidavit in opposition. Prayer allowed list after 2 weeks. You go to the affidavit, and if you feel the rejoinder be filed, then you can ask for permission on the next day.
I would like to.
Item number 4.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm paying for 2 weeks time to file my affidavit.
Well, it's Mr. Ahmed, Learned Counsel. There is only one respondent.
So he's appearing for all 5 respondents. He's appearing for all the respondents. Mr. Sen is
Mr. Ahmed, Learned Counsel appearing
5 respondents.
The respondents. Praise for LDA granted. How much time?
2 weeks, madam.
2 weeks time for filing affidavit.
Much obliged.
Hearing item number 9.
Yes, Mr. Gautam.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lord, this writ petition is filed seeking appropriate direction from this court for constitution of a SIT.
Which is a criminal writ petition.
Yes, madam. It's a criminal writ petition, madam. To investigate into the death of late Wagera Armarak, who died on 25th February 2023 at Jadidare waterfalls. Look, the facts of the case is that on 25/2/2023, in the morning of 7:30, the petitioner's son left home saying that he is going to meet his friend, one Mr. Amsarang C.H. Momin, at Chachadgre village. Now, at about 9:30 a.m. on the same day, that is 25/2/2023, that is within 2 hours of him having left the house, a telephonic information was received that the petitioner's son has drowned after falling from the top of the Jadidare waterfalls. Within 2 hours, this information was received. Now, at about 6 p.m.,
the place where he died,
my lord,
was beyond that distance of 2 hours, or no, it is within that?
No, my lord. No,
okay, so no issue with regard to that.
No issue with regard to that, my lord. Now, at about 6 p.m. on the same day, the authorities handed over the dead body of the petitioner's son to the petitioner.
Authorities mean police?
The police.
So after the incident, police was called?
Yes, yes. The police came.
Yes.
After the incident. All the formalities were done. Then thereafter, the body was handed over to the petitioner at about 6 p.m. on 25/2/2023, and on the next day,
holding that it is an accidental case.
Yes, madam. And on the next day, on 26/2/2023, the last rites of the petitioner's son were held, and the last rites of the petitioner's son were held.
Postmortem was done.
My lord, the postmortem was done. I'll come to that later.
Yes.
Then, on 23/3/2023, the police filed a final report with regard, calling it a case of an unnatural death. A report under section 174 CRPC was filed. Now, this report, my lord, will find it Annexure 2. If I may take my lord to the report.
The date of death was 25/2, and then final report was filed on 23/3.
On 23/3.
Yes, within 1 month. Oh, almost, yes, within 1 month. Almost,
Within
1 month, 2 days. Whatever. Oh, 1 month. Yes.
So within
Final
28
report is
days, my
that
lord.
page?
Well, that is Annexure 2. Annexure 2, page 18. My lord has found it.
Yes.
My lord, this is the final report. I'll just read it. Well, the gist of the case is on 25/2/2023 at about 11:08 a.m. myself receive a telephonic information from Sri Anthony C.H. Momin, MPS, DYSP, Headquarter, William Nagar, that he has received information from the locality people of Dorenkigre that on 25/2/2023 at about 8:15 a.m. while taking pictures on the mobile, one person got slipped and fell down into the Jadidare waterfall, Dorenkigri under William Nagar PS. Subsequently, self-relayed the same information to the police control room, William Nagar, and fire and emergency team, William Nagar, for rendering assistance to rescue the victim. Self, along with available staffs, left PS for Jadidare waterfall. Later on, the same day, that is 25/2/2023 at about 12:15, information regarding retrieval of dead body and being brought in by 108 ambulance to William Nagar Civil Hospital was received. During the course of inquiry, necessary statements of the following witnesses: 1. Shri Marak Salgrik Sangma, aged 22 years, Shri Gorakhfield R. Sangma, Sri Malcolm M. Marak, and Sri Amsharang C.H. Momin has been recorded, and is learned from them that on the morning of 25/2/23 they went to Jadidare waterfall, and while capturing pictures of the deceased late Wagera R. Marak, aged 22 years, son of Sri Salseng M. Marak, resident of PHE colony, William Nagar, got slipped over wet ground and accidentally fell into the stream. They rescued him, but he succumbed to his injuries as he received head injuries. Accordingly, inquest has been held over the deceased of the body at William Nagar Civil Hospital morgue room, and during the inquest, he was detected with head injuries on the back side of the head. All formalities have been observed with the conclusion of the post-mortem examination, and the dead body has been handed over to the deceased relatives with proper dead body handing challan for performing his last rites. During the course of inquiry, no foul play into the death of late Wagera R. Marak, aged 22 years, son of so-and-so, as was detected as per medical officer opinion. He died due to asphyxia, due to accidentally fell down on 25/2/2023 into Jadidare waterfall located at Dorenkigre, William Nagar PS. In view of the above, I therefore beg to return the instant case final report as per the as the case is purely accidental and there is no suspicion of any foul play. This report was sent to the magistrate. Now, my lord, from this report, what can be seen is that the IO, that the investigating officer received a telephonic information from his superior officer at about 11:08 a.m. The information was to the effect that on 8:15 a.m., while taking pictures, the petitioner's son had fallen down from the top of the Jadidare waterfall there, and then he died. Now, what is also evident from this report is that the inquest was not done at the spot. The inquest was done in the civil hospital. Also, the IO never had the occasion to visit the place of occurrence because the body was retrieved and was brought to the civil hospital by the time the information was received by him. Now, after a few months, that is in the month of April, a message was received, a WhatsApp message was received by the sister of the deceased.
Till such time, there was no suspicion.
There was no suspicion. Now, when a
body also was handed over to the family.
Yes, the body was handed over to the family, and the family accepted that it was a case of unnatural death.
The burial was done without any suspicion.
Without any suspicion was done.
Yes.
Then, in the month of April, the sister of the victim, the petitioner's daughter, received WhatsApp message from one of the persons who was accompanying the victim on that fateful day.
His name is there in that final report.
His name is there. The name of this person is there, Gorakhpil R. Sangma.
As per the police version, he was also
there.
examined.
And he was also examined. Now,
what is his name?
Gorakhpil R. Sangma.
Okay.
He is
Number 2.
number 2.
Yes.
Number 2. Now, these photographs were received.
Yes.
Now, from this, after receiving these photographs, and after hearing the versions of these friends who were there, the petitioner became suspicious. The family of the petitioner became suspicious that there was some foul play leading to the death of their son.
Okay.
Because
on which date this WhatsApp thing was received?
This was received sometimes in the month of April 2023. The date is not clear here. Okay. It will be there in the FIR. I'll come to it now.
Is it there in the photographs? No.
No, it is not there in the. It is there in the photographs. The photographs were taken on that day only, on February 26, 8:30 p.m.
These are not extract from WhatsApp. These are not WhatsApp photographs. These are the photographs taken by police.
Yes, my lord. 26.
No, these photographs at page 19.
Page 19, my lord.
These are not the photographs which were sent by WhatsApp. Whether these are the photographs which were sent by WhatsApp?
Yes. These are the photographs which were sent by WhatsApp.
Photograph says on the top you find that is February 26.
February 26.
It means the day of the photograph.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Now, thereafter, on 11/5/2023, sensing foul play, the petitioner filed an FIR.
What was revealed from this photograph?
My lord, what was revealed from the photograph is that Gorakhpil R. Sangma said that the victim along with another another friend Amsarang was at the bottom of the fall.
So these
he was not at the top of the fall as alleged.
These photos accompanied some message also.
Yes.
And what was the message sent? Message sent?
The message was that it was not possible that Gorakhpil R. Sangma said that he was at the top of the waterfall. He was at the top of the waterfall from where it was actually alleged that the victim had fallen, but Gorakhpil was at the top, and at the bottom of the waterfall, where his body was actually found, the victim and Amsarang Momin was there. So that is how they became suspicious that there is some foul play in the some foul play, and accordingly an FIR was filed. The FIR was filed on 11/5/2023. Now, my lord, the FIR is at
a fresh FIR into the incident.
Yes,
is it?
Now,
after the initial occurrence, the case was registered under what section? Unnatural death.
Unnatural death. It was registered as an unnatural death, and a report was forwarded to the magistrate under section 174 CRS.
Okay.
Now the FIR is at page 20. Well, I'll just read the FIR. With humble respect and submission, we, the below noted undersigned, would like to lay down the following few lines for favor of your kind information and necessary action as per the provision of the law. That, sir, our son, late Waghera R. Marak, was studying in Guwahati Bod Thakur IAS Academy and came home on the night of 24th February 2023. The next morning, that is 25th February 2023, at about 7 a.m., our son, late Waghera R. Marak, left home telling that his friend, namely Amsarang CH Momin, who is a resident of village Chachagrik, calling him to come to his village. That, sir, on the same day at around 9:30 a.m., we receive a phone call from Sri Amsarang CH Momin that our son, namely Wagera Armarak, has fallen from top of the Jadidare waterfalls and drowned into the river. On receiving this news, we got shocked and informed the same to our family members and relatives, and at the same time, some of our relatives had informed the William Nagar police station to rescue our son. On the same day, around evening at 6 p.m., some of our relatives brought the dead body of our son, Wagera Marak, at home. Accordingly, on 26 February 2023, we, the family members and relatives of late Wagera R. Marak, conducted funeral service for late Wagera R. Marak. That during the month of April 2023, Sri Amsarang Momin was informed by telephone to Miss Atam S. R. Marak, the younger sister of late Wagera R. Marak, that late Wagera Marak was fall down from top of Jadidare Falls and had sent a photograph of the Jadidare waterfalls circling exact spot from where our son Wagera R. Marak first fell down. But one of late Wagera R. Marak's friend, namely Shri Gorakhpil Sangma, was telling that Wagera R. Marak and Amsarang CH Momin went down to the bottom of Jadidare Fall and that he could not even see the scene. So this Amsarang had said that he fell from top of the waterfall. The other friend, Gorakhpil, said that Amsarang and the victim had gone down to the bottom of the Jadidare waterfalls, and he could not even see the scene. That, sir, statement of Sri Amsarang CH Momin and his friend, namely...
Just a minute, this paragraph, if you see,
my lord,
that's during the month of April 2023, Sri Amsarang CH Momin was informed by telephone to Miss...
My lord. Was informed... my lord...
Miss Amsarang was informed by somebody.
No, Amsarang informed... My lord, this...
Okay, this was his comment.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
It should have been Amsarang...
it should have been Amsarang CH Momin informed Miss so-and-so.
Okay. Miss so-and-so is the sister of the deceased.
She is the sister. She is the sister, lord.
See, if this sentence are not understood properly,
yes, my lord.
It gives
Yes,
a
my
different
lord. It conveys a different message altogether.
Just a minute, just let us read it again, then, sir.
That, sir, during the month of April, so-and-so, Amsarang was informed by telephone to
Okay. Now who? Anyway, it's okay.
Yes, my lord. That's a statement of Amsarang CH Momin and his friend, namely Sri Gorakhpil R. Sangma, Sri Salgrik R. Marak, and Sri Melkam Marak was
So
not.
it means, you see, you said earlier the Garak Marak has informed that this thing, so it is not Garak Marak.
It is not Garak Marak. It is. It is Amsarang.
Well,
I'm sorry, my lord. Because of their earlier statement, what they were telling to our daughter, Miss so-and-so, was very much different as per the statement of Sri so-and-so. If late Wagera Marak was surely fell down from top of the Jadidare Fall, it was surprise to us that there were no bruise mark, cracks or damage was seen in the body of Wagera R. Marak except cut mark on the right temple and some damage on below the head, and even his wearing jacket and wristwatch was not damaged. In this regards, we would like to request you to review the legal inquiry as per the provisions of law so that justice can be done to our son so-and-so. Close photograph sent by Sri Amsarang CH Momin to our daughter Miss so-and-so through WhatsApp on February 26, 2023. Now, look, this FIR was received on 11/5/2023 at the William Nagar Police Station.
Filed also on 11th May.
It was filed. It was
Though
filed
it
on that
means
day.
you have waited for quite some time after receiving these photographs.
Yes,
Photographs were sent to you in the month of April.
In the month of April.
And you do not do anything then and
In
there.
the month of April, date not known. Probably it could be in the last part of the April.
The month of last day of month
Yes,
of
my lord.
April also, then also there will be a delay of more
My
than
lord,
10 days.
they probably had been
you are not
family
al-
discussions and all that.
You are not really alarmed by the information, isn't it?
My lord, of
Anyway.
course, it is not very clear as to the date. I mean, on which date in the month of April was the photograph received? But anyway, this FIR was received, and then thereafter, after preliminary investigation, the FIR was registered on 26/5/2023. FIR was filed on 11.
Where do you get it?
My lord, it is here at the bottom, at the footnote of the FIR.
Yes.
On 26/5/2023, and at the next page we have the type form of the FIR, that is Annexure 5, page 22.
It's very difficult to get the dates.
My lord, it is there on the top,
It's
26/5/2023.
But if you see the handwriting in the previous page, it's very difficult to make out whether it's 26 or 36 or.
My lord, it is 26, but that can be verified from the next page, my lord. That is the type form of the FIR.
Okay, yes. Okay.
So it was registered on 26/5/2023 under section 302.
Yes.
And it was registered against Sri Amsarang CH Momin.
The informant.
Is para 7.
There are 7.
Para 7.
This again, his name is also not there. Anyway, not visible properly. No, not only his name. There is some other name also.
My lord, it says only Amsarang CH Momin of such village, William Nagar. Number 7.
You have seen, but it is not at all visible. Anyway, carry on. You are the counsel, only you can read out. You cannot make out from here. Yes.
Now, my lord, after this FIR was received and the case was registered under 302, my lord, nothing as such was done. No investigation was done. It was received, case was registered,
and
it was just left like that in cold storage. Now, thereafter, the petitioner made a representation to the superintendent of police.
Yes.
This representation is at page 23, Annexure 4.
Yes.
My lord, even after this representation was made, nothing was done. Nothing fruitful was done. The FIR was simply registered, kept in cold storage. No investigation was progressing. Now, thereafter, as the police were not acting on the FIR, the accused person also, though named in the FIR, was not arrested. The case having been registered under section 302, the petitioner, having no other option, approached this Honorable High Court by filing a petition under section 482 CRPC. Now, this petition was registered as criminal petition number 115 of 2023. Now, when this criminal petition was filed, this court was pleased to issue notice. Now, after the notice was issued, the state filed an affidavit. Now, my lord, after this affidavit was filed, this affidavit is at Annexure 8. It runs from page 27 to page 33.
So what happened? The investigation not completed or what?
No, my lord. They filed the affidavit, my lord. Along with the affidavit, they enclosed the post-mortem report, my lord.
Okay.
Now, from the post-mortem report, my lord, what came out was that the post-mortem was, in fact, no post-mortem was conducted, my lord. Now, if I may take, my lord, to the post-mortem report.
Yes.
The post-mortem report starts from page 44. Page 44 of the
That is the
writ petition,
postmortem
internal page.
which was done immediately after the incident.
Yes, my lord. The post-mortem which was done immediately after the incident.
Yes.
My lord, as per the post-mortem report, the body was received at 4:55.
Yes.
The inquest papers for autopsy was received on 25/2/2023. Has my lord found it?
Yes, yes.
At 4:50 p.m. Date and time of completion of autopsy 25/2/2023 at 4:55 p.m. Commencement of autopsy 4:55 p.m. Completion of autopsy is at 5:25 p.m.
Yes.
Within half an hour.
Yes.
Within half an hour. Now, my lord, the finding in this post-mortem report is...
Within half an hour means which way would become suspicious if it is...
My lord, the body was not dissected, my lord. There was no dissection of the body. Nothing was done. Only based on the inquest report, my lord.
All these at this stage will remain only, though it is very serious.
My lord.
But then all these statement will remain just as a statement for you because we cannot verify.
My lord,
These things cannot be verified.
I will come to it, my lord. I will come to it. In my petition, I had made the doctor also a party. The doctor has filed an affidavit, my lord. The doctor who conducted the autopsy has filed an affidavit saying that I did not conduct any affidavit because I was assured that there is going to be no police case.
Is this?
Yes, my lord. It is there.
If he says that he has not conducted any postmortem report,
he has not conducted any postmortem.
If he has not conducted any postmortem,
my lord,
then how this postmortem report comes?
My lord, this postmortem report, my lord, if I may humbly submit, was based on the inquest report. Clearly based on the inquest report, my lord. It was only an external examination.
Somebody must have signed this postmortem report, isn't it?
My lord, it is the very...
He must owe responsibility for that.
My lord, he has owed his responsibility by filing an affidavit in this petition itself.
No, but then he says that he has not done. He has not.
My lord, he said that I issued this thing. I issued the post-mortem report, but I did not conduct the post-mortem report as I am supposed to do.
Is it not a dereliction of duty on his part?
It is clearly a dereliction of duty, my lord. It is not only a dereliction of duty, my lord. It is abetting. I mean, it is like.
Who is representing this doctor? Anyone?
See, I'm representing the.
This doctor, so will have to have see the problem. You see, like this is something he may end up losing his job also if he does like this.
Lordship, I filed the affidavit on behalf of this.
You have filed it, but then if that be the thing, what Mr. Gautam is saying, if it is correct, his submission is correct, that he signs one postmortem report and later on files an affidavit before this court saying that he has not conducted any postmortem, rather the postmortem report was based on the inquest. That is good enough for taking action. You see.
My lord, will you please have the affidavit filed by the doctor?
Affidavit I filed, Lordship.
And we'll see to it. You just proceed the way you are trying to proceed. What you are trying to project here, just let us see. See,
So,
Mr. Gautam,
my lord,
probably your purpose is not to get this doctor.
My lord, my purpose.
For he's wrong. You have some other prayer, or maybe.
My lord, my prayer in this writ petition is that the investigation has to be withdrawn from the William Nagar police and has to be handed over to an independent agency, my lord. Why? Because this William Nagar police is not doing anything, my lord. I will take my lord to other orders also which have been passed, but nothing has been done. Till now they have done nothing. Only after I came to this court, my lord, they filed a petition before the magistrate at William Nagar for exhuming the body, and they have submitted a subsequent post-mortem report, my lord. And till date, nothing has been done. The person against whom this FIR was registered, my lord, this is an FIR registered under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code, my lord. This person was never arrested, my lord. In fact, he was given an opportunity to obtain an anticipatory bail.
What has been revealed from the fresh post-mortem report? Does it say about any?
I'll come to it. My lord, when the body was exhumed, my lord, when the body was exhumed, it was exhumed almost after 18 months.
You are also not very diligent also, isn't it? You received some WhatsApp message in the month of April.
Yes, my lord.
And then you filed FIR on 11th May.
On the 11th of May, my lord. Now, my lord, the WhatsApp message was received by my daughter.
Whatever it is.
The WhatsApp message was received by my daughter. My lord, the WhatsApp message did not say that your brother was murdered. But the WhatsApp message, my lord, it pointed, certain photographs were sent encircling the place from where this person had fallen. All these kind of photographs were sent, and then there was a conflicting statement of the persons who were accompanying the victim on that fateful date.
Even the person who had sent you photograph,
My lord.
his statement also was taken with the
Yes, his statement was taken, my lord. His statement was taken, and after his statement, my lord, in fact, all of these people who were there along with the victim on that fateful day, their statement were taken. After their statement were taken, the police said that we do not suspect any foul play. Accordingly, a final report was filed under 174 CRPC. My lord, the death clearly took place under very mysterious circumstances, my lord. The police did not even go to the place of occurrence, the place of incident, my lord. They did not visit. They in fact, well, before filing that report under 174, they did not even visit once. My lord, will see how, my lord, in a casual manner, everything progressed, my lord. The information was received by the deputy superintendent. He relayed the information to the IO. By the time the IO could call up the fire brigade and other authorities to retrieve the body, my lord, the body was already retrieved by the villagers, and then it was brought to the civil hospital.
No, but then if those things you could have pointed out at the very initial stage, it was not needed for you to wait for some photographs to be sent and to raise all those things. If you had suspicion with regard to those things, you should have raised it. But initially you have not done it.
No, initially,
now
my lord,
subsequently
we accepted.
You want to attribute all the fault to the authorities.
My lord.
Now, limitation is there everywhere. You see, everything cannot be like magic that you do it and you see. The investigation at this stage for occurrence in 2023, that in relation of such kind of
my lord,
things,
the FIR.
tell us, even if it is handed over to the Scotland Yard also, what will happen?
My lord, at least they are going to do some investigation, my lord. My lord will kindly see here, my lord, in a case of this nature, my lord, at least there ought to have been some custodial interrogation of this person. That was not done, my lord.
Now, you see, that is for...
He was given ample opportunity to obtain a pre-arrest bail.
For them in which manner investigation should be conducted. But the only thing is that you should see that some investigation should be there. The manner of investigation is something their prerogative.
My lord, it is their prerogative, but there has to be investigation, my lord.
They cannot keep mum. They cannot keep silent. They have to say that yes, investigation is progressing, and that is the that is the conclusion.
My lord, the investigation has to progress in such a way that it will instill confidence on the investigating machinery, insofar as the person who is making the complaint is concerned. Now, my lord, in this case, there is nothing is happening.
What would instill your confidence that somebody is booked and somebody is put behind the bar?
My lord, at least there has to be some investigation, my lord.
Then you say like that, no, I have no confidence on that.
My lord, there has to be some investigation.
We have to be realistic. We are not ruling out what you say. We are not saying that what you say that they should not investigate.
My lord,
they should definitely investigate. Once they register a fresh FIR on the basis of your complaint, they should investigate, and that investigation should culminate at, but it should come to an end. Okay, now that is what they cannot sleep over the thing.
My lord, that is what they have been doing. That is what brings me before my lord.
Then what is the stage of the investigation?
My lord, the investigation according to them is still progressing, my lord.
It must have been completed, Lordship.
My lord, the doctor has filed.
That must have been completed.
What is the outcome of the investigation?
Investigation, I have to obtain the instruction, Lordship.
So, but then it is completed.
It was as on that date that I have met the IO.
Whether
It
any
was
person, whether there is any foul play into the death of the deceased.
initially it was closed, Lordship.
That is okay. That is okay. Just tell us about the latest. We are not concerned about the initial thing anymore. Since you have registered a fresh FIR,
Fresh FIR.
body was exhumed,
Exhumed.
postmortem was conducted.
Yes.
Now you are supposed to do some more investigation to bring it to the conclusion, isn't it? To
Yes,
a logical conclusion, isn't it?
That
Now
the
you say that has been done. So what is the which way? What is the outcome of the investigation?
Lordship
tell
here
us.
that postmortem report I have enclosed in the affidavit, Lordship. It's
That
at
is
page
okay.
14.
We cannot see what can we determine from postmortem. We just say what is the say of the investigating authority.
Lordship, then I'll have to obtain instruction, Lordship, on that point. As on the date I have met the IO, it was almost completed.
If investigation is completed, then what is the say at least something is done. It is not that nothing is done.
No, my lord, to the best of our knowledge, my lord, the investigation is not yet complete, my lord. There is no investigation at all.
Submission is coming from additional senior G.
Lordship,
or
it was
say like assistant
investigated. Investigation it was
PP.
done.
You additional people, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship. It was done.
So which should be given.
All the
your
necessary steps
submission
have
of
been
this?
taken.
No, my lord, but he has to furnish at least something to show that investigation is being done. What is being done, my lord? Nothing.
The IO
there
had
is-
taken all the necessary steps, visited the PO. As soon as they received the information, they rushed to the spots.
Have you filed your affidavit in this case?
Yes, I have filed.
And you have divulged the details of your investigation here.
Yes, yes.
But then you do not say anything about the conclusion of the investigation.
No, my lord, the affidavit is totally silent on the on the conclusion of the investigation.
See, Mr. Gautam.
As on the date, this affidavit was filed, Lordship. It
Even
was
if
almost
they are
completed.
supposing, even assuming if there is default on their part, ordering any investigation by any other authority at this stage in this kind of cases would not serve any purpose.
My lord, what would come clean from the
See,
facts of the case?
It will be a futile exercise.
My lord, what will come clean from the facts of this case is that the police from the very beginning did not wanted to conduct the investigation.
You are correct. But then what you were doing from the very beginning? Now you are saying many things.
My
That
lord-
the body did not bore any injury, his watch was not damaged, his cloth was intact. Where were all those things at the time when you accepted the body and went for burial without any objection?
My lord-
Remained silent for months. You received photographs in April and then you come in the month of May.
My lord, I am the victim, my lord. I am not supposed to do the investigation, my lord.
You are not. You are
My lord,
not. You are
it is the
still-
police.
You
My
are
lord,
still
the police has
victim,
failed
isn't
from
it?
the very beginning, my lord.
You are still the victim, isn't it?
I am still the victim, my lord. I am still the victim.
If you
I have
can-
lost my son.
We can understand. We can understand that, and that is the purpose. The court is listening to you. That is why you have come before this court. This court had ordered something. The body was exhumed. Investigation.
My lord, the
was
body.
taking place.
My lord, the body was exhumed. My lord, now, my lord, after I filed the petition here under 482, my lord, then after they filed the affidavit. Now, my lord, in the affidavit they have said that the investigation is almost complete and the charge sheet is going to be filed very soon. Now, it is on that submission, my lord,
Where it is?
my lord was pleased to close.
What
close
is that
the
earlier
criminal
round of?
petition.
Earlier round of.
Yes, my lord. In the earlier round of litigation.
What is that order? Where is that order? In the earlier round of litigation.
My lord, that is at page 26, my lord. Page 26. The learned AAG had submitted that the investigation is going in full swing and the same is likely to be completed at the earliest.
Yes.
So, my lord, on this submission, my lord was pleased to.
It is okay, but then there is nothing as such that charge sheet will be filed and all. It's not that. That is your interpretation of the thing.
So, my lord, the investigation is
Investigation is one thing.
going
it
on
can
full
be-
swing and is likely to be completed at the earliest, my lord.
that is
So,
okay.
one inference can be drawn is that the investigation is going to be over. Either this way, a
Exactly,
report under 173 is going to be
Exactly,
filed.
and this order was passed.
This
See, it is more than a year.
This order was passed on 5/3/24.
Yes, Mr. Karmi, when this investigation was completed? When you have filed this affidavit in this case?
In this case, I file on May 2025.
May 2025.
Yes, Lordship.
Now that is after 1 year of the passing of this order. There also you do not say that investigation has been completed. Your submission, so far as the earlier round of litigation is concerned, that it will be completed at the earliest. That is what you say. So earliest means more than 1 year also.
Lordship, it was completed, only pending to
But then
submit
your
the charge
affidavit
sheet.
doesn't say so. Affidavit before us doesn't say so.
No, it's there, paragraph 15, Lordship. Last paragraph.
Para 15.
Yes.
Only a statement, Lord, saying that investigation of the case is
Wait,
in
wait.
progress.
Case in progress on the right track,
Let
and
him
every
please
possible step is taken to come to the true conclusion and to submit final form.
This affidavit in position filed by respondent number 1. Page 26. It's the same thing, utterance of the same word.
It must have been filed, Lordship, charge sheet by
Must have
now.
been, cannot be a word, you see, you cannot go by this. This must have been going on 5/3/2024, you make a submission, it will be completed at the earliest. Now in the month of May this year you file affidavit, there also it will be completed. What is meant by that? Are you trying to evade the situation?
No, Lordship, not that.
Your attitude says so.
No, Lordship. I think it must have been completed. I'll obtain the instruction, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Prosecutor, London Council for the petitioner. And also Mr. Karmi and the additional people appearing for the state respondents, appearing for the respondents. Grievance raised by the give a paragraph. The grievance raised by the petitioner in this petition is against the inaction of the police to proceed with the investigation of William Nagar PS case number 24/5/2023 under section 302 IPC. The learned counsel for the petitioner contended that in spite of order passed by this court in the earlier lot of litigation. What is the order of police page 25 years? In earlier lot of litigation in criminal petition number 115/2023. It will be at page 25 of this. What is the inspector of direction, sir? Wherein the case was closed on the basis of the submission of the state that the investigation was going on full swing, was and was likely to be completed at the earliest. nothing appears to have been done by the police, as till date the petitioner has not received any information with regard to the investigation of the matter. So, paragraph countering the submission, Mr. H. Karmi, another additional PP submits that the investigation has been completed and it is most likely that the outcome of the investigation has been recorded by the investigating authority. Stop. However, he submits that he has no up-to-date instruction in this regard. And prays for grant of some time to obtain instructions to the final outcome of the investigation. Yes, paragraph. Keeping in view the submission made by the learned counsel for the parties. So, it is ordered that the latest status stroke outcome of the investigation of the latest status stroke final outcome of the investigation of the William Nagar PS case number 24/0/2023 shall be placed before this court by the respondent on the next date of hearing. Stop. When?
2 weeks, Lord. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
On prayer, on the prayer of the learned additional people. This is better after 2 weeks. Just see if there is anything, just make him know why you are making him suffer these things. He should know what is the outcome of his complaint. But then Mr. Gautam, ordering anything at this stage is something.
Even the FIR was filed as an afterthought.
We can hardly say or monitor whether that has been done properly or not.
FIR was filed after 3 months.
If there is something very wrong, definitely some action has to be taken.
My lord,
but then
whatever is there in the records, my lord, it clearly indicates that something is very wrong.
But then is it not that we have approached the court at a very belated stage? The stage, especially in this kind of cases, the major part of the evidence.
My lord, once a person files a FIR, my lord, he files it with utmost faith that the police will do justice to the
It was
complaint.
filed after 3 months, FIR.
Actually, yes, definitely. You are
My lord, it was not done. My lord, I will, my lord, as the hearing progresses, my lord, I'll place some materials before the court, my lord. There is a
let us
specific
first see.
direction by the
Let us first see.
DIG how such cases are to be dealt with, my lord. Nothing has been done. And till now also, nothing has been done, my lord.
And they
These
file,
people have
they
received-
file
they
an
are on
application-
anticipatory bail, my lord.
They file application before DC also to examine the post-mortem. It was rejected.
My lord, who has filed
Rejected.
it? We
Before
have
it was
not-
conducted, they requested the doctor
Have you placed on record all those things?
My lord,
It's there.
to
I have
say
mentioned
they
my
is very
affidavit.
wrong. My lord will kindly, I would have taken my lord to that order.
If that be the thing, you place it on record.
Yes.
My lord, it is there. It is there in my pleadings, my lord. Some people had filed a petition before the deputy commissioner not to conduct the post-mortem. It was not filed by us. The
So they are strangers.
Not the family members.
They are strangers.
The strangers.
This is a difficulty.
And therefore the DC did not exempt the post-mortem. The DC directed that post-mortem should be held. However, nothing was done. Nothing was done.
But before
Nothing was done.
the post-mortem was conducted, Lordship, they have approached the doctor and requested the doctor to not to cut open the body. That is the affidavit on record. It's there in the affidavit.
And the doctor did that.
Why would the doctor say anything which is
The
not
doctor is also an accomplice in this murder.
mislead?
The doctor is trying to destroy the evidence.
Lordship, I'll obtain the instruction.
Please obtain instruction, and if all these things are there, then
these are on record, my lord.
investigation should take a call on all those things also.
Yes.
What happened before the doctor? That should also be a subject matter of investigation, because these are related to the case.
Yes.
Now, if there is an allegation by you, or rather a statement by you that they approach the doctor,
Yes.
okay, for you see like not cutting the body or anything, then in such a case that should be a part of your investigation. Then see what your investigation.
None of the
report
people,
says.
my lord, were interrogated.
I do not know. This is something very. It seems, and so far your sincerity is concerned, that is also become case. It is. There is nothing which shows that you were at all. You say like very sincere right from the beginning. Okay. If your WhatsApp message becomes the base of filing the second FIR, then that should have been done immediately. You also kept mum, applied your thinking into the matter, and then you filed it. Anyway, we'll see to it later.
Item 11.
Well, this is that matter where, my lords, the substation of the power corporation, my lords,
You are supposed to amend your petition, isn't it, Mr. Pandey?
that was done, my lords. That was done on the last date of hearing by
Wait,
Learned Friend wanted to.
Yes, please.
That was done, my lords. The amendment was done. Thereafter, the matter was taken up on the last date of hearing, my lords, where my learned friend wanted to seek some instructions from his clients. So, my lords, the situation is this. The amendment has already been carried out, my lords.
Yes. What was the instruction to be taken?
My lords, your lordships have made a suggestion that without interfering the impugned order, the construction work carried out by corporation may be continued, my lord. That was the specific suggestions made by the Honorable Court.
Okay, this is a matter.
Yes.
Yes. Now, the injunction order
My
passed by
lord.
the district council was sought to be implemented against the
Yes.
MECL, isn't it?
Yes, my lords.
Faced with that situation, they have come approached this before.
My lord.
This court saying that
Yes, my lord.
the non-tribal entity, district council court has no jurisdiction.
No jurisdiction.
Exactly. Now you inform the court that you filed a separate suit against them.
Yes.
So you do not implement this injunction order against them.
No, my lord, now here, because here, my lord, in the subsequent suit, we have challenged the so-called sale deed, which has come into form only at the time of filing the instant revision petition. So you have challenged the...
That is okay.
Sale
You have a
deed.
liberty to do so.
My lord.
This, you see, this will not have any bearing.
Your lordships,
Say supposing if you say that this injunction order will not be sought to be implemented against them, That is good enough. We'll record it and then we'll dispose.
My only prayer, His Lordship, is that we have filed an application for injunction as well. So till that time, my Lord, parties will be maintained status quo till disposal of my
That
injunction
will-
application.
This we are not.
No.
See, we are not exercising any such power.
My Lord.
227 is only with regard to the exercise of jurisdiction. By
Your Lordships.
But now, if you make it clear that this injunction will not be implemented against them, then the very cause, basic on which they have
My Lord,
approached this court also,
Your
that
Lordship,
also
an
will not
observation
be-
will be made that any of directions made by the court shall not influence the trial court while deciding my injunction application. Only that, Lordship.
No, that will be saying that is okay.
Your
The
Lordship.
court will not be influenced by the observation, but then we are not making any observation.
My Lord.
We'll just record your submission that these impugn
At
order
least, my Lord, some sort of protection will,
will
give
not be.
till disposal of my injunction
No, but
application.
No question. What basis we can give that?
Your Lordship, then they will take the
That
plea
means,
of the
that means this court will be continuing the order passed by the district council.
No, I'm not saying that.
Yes.
The same thing.
Well,
The
till the
very
disposal
cause
of my
which-
injunction application, my Lord. Till the disposal.
No,
of
no.
No.
That's all I'm asking.
We will not do. We will not do. Just say, heard Mr. Pandey, London Council appearing for the petitioner. Then,
I'm for respondent 6.
okay, Mr.
Respondent number 1, my Lord.
Just record so and so. Just the news next paragraph. Challenge is this revision petition is against the order dated 17/3/2021 passed by the subordinate district council court, Shillong. What is this title suit, Miss Case number? In Miss Case number 18 of 2021, arising out of title suit number 13 of 2020. Stop. The prime contention raised by the petitioner is that the petitioner is a non-tribal entity and the district council court. No, before that I just say, just before this line you just say, the petitioner has challenged the petitioner, comma, though not a party to the title suit number 13 of 2020, comma, has challenged the impugn order as, according to the petitioner, the impugn order was sought to be implemented against it and was used as a tool for disturbing the work undertaken by the petitioner's department. Stop. The prime contention raised by the learned counsel for the petitioner is that the district council court, being a court established under the provision of 60 schedule of Constitution, has no jurisdiction over the petitioner, comma, which is a non-tribal entity. Stop. Give a paragraph on the last date of the hearing of the matter. It was informed by Mr. CCT Sangma, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number
Number 1, my Lord.
1, that that a separate title suit has been separate title suit has been instituted against the petitioner seeking relief against grievances raised therein. What is the number of this title suit, Mr. Sangma?
About 60 of 2025.
Stop. After obtaining necessary instruction, after obtaining detailed instruction with regard to the institution of title suit, the learned counsel has placed on record the number of the details of the title suit being, what is that number?
60, my lord, of 2025.
25,
along with misapplication, my lord.
along with miscase number so and so, pending
before the assistant DC, my lord.
Filed before the court, the assistant to DC at Shillong. Isn't it?
No.
Stop. He submits that since he submits that at no point of time the injunction order dated 17/3/2021 passed by the subordinate district council court Shillong was sought to be implemented against the petitioner. Stop. He further submits that since the respondent number 1 has already instituted a separate suit against the petitioner, the question of obstructing the work of the petitioner's department on the basis of the order dated 17/2021 does not arise. Give paragraph. Give paragraph. Upon hearing the learned counsel for the parties, and the specific submission of the respondent number 1 that the order that the impugn order dated 17/2021 is not directed against the petitioner really, there hardly remains anything to be decided in this matter. Stop. The revision application, as such, stands closed by directing by do not say observation, by observing that the order dated 17/3/2021 passed in miscase number so and so, arising of title suit so and so, shall not have any bearing on the activities and work undertaken by the petitioner's department. Stop. It is however, it is comma however. Also made, it is however also made clear that the observations made in this order shall have no bearing in the merits of the title suit number so and so and this case number so and so pending in the court of the assistant to DC Shillong. Stop. With the revision petition stands disposed of. Yes, that was
Just
Mr.
one clarification, Milord. So there are two, in fact, impugned orders. By way of the amendment, we also made the 18th March 2020 order impugned.
In
Milord.
the amendment, it is
In
reflected
the
in the
amendment.
prayer. Is it in
Reflected in the prayer. Prayer, Milord.
Page 21, my lord,
Page 21.
of the petition. Amended. The amended petition.
Where's the amended petition? Which one is the amended petition?
Filed on 5th August 2025.
How many petitions are there? Oh, this is the one. If plug mark are folded, then what is the use of plug? Page 21. You see?
Yes, my lord.
Of the
Yes, Milord. Amended petition.
Both the orders are passed in the same.
different miscase
Same, Milord.
arising out of same suit.
Yes, my 83 2020 is passed in the miscellaneous case filed in the suit.
This
Miscellaneous
18/3
case number
2020 is.
This is, my lord, the injunction order.
Yes, Milord.
But then this they
Yes,
pass in the same miscase. Is it passed in the same
Same.
Miscase.
Yes.
This order dated 17/3 is passed in the miscase number 18, isn't it?
My lord.
Yes, Milord.
And 18/3. Oh, sorry,
18/3 is
73 comes
passed.
first.
Yes.
18/3 comes first. 73 comes there. 73 is
18/3
2021.
comes first. Yes, yes, yes.
So both the orders are
Annexure
passed in the
10
same miscase.
Same miscase.
Is it correct, Mr. Sangma?
My lord, I'm just seeing.
Yes, see.
18. Milord, Annexure 10 is the 18/3 order.
Case 45 of 2020.
Okay, so that
Yes.
is also under challenge, isn't it? So in the
Yes,
first part,
both you.
just say, but then both in the same title suit, isn't it?
Yes,
My lord, arising out of same suit.
Just first you say order dated 18/3 2020, passed in miscase number. Mr. Khera, please say us again.
My lord, this case number
45.
of 2020.
Okay,
In
comma.
title suit number.
Wait, just a minute, comma. Then order dated 17/3 2021, passed in miscase number
18, my lord. 18 of 2021.
21. Then you say both arising out of title suit number so and so.
Yes.
Title suit number, my lord.
13.
13 of
I think that we got probably already. 13 of 2020.
20.
Yes.
That will suffice. There may be bit addition or change, maybe modification, but then order.
Milord.
From
Highly
orders
obliged.
comes with several mistakes, so you have to correct it later. Sum and substance will remain the same.
Right, Milord.
Yes.
Obliged, Milord.
Thank you.
I think 14.
Yes, Mr. Shulai was there, isn't it?
Yes, he had partly concluded.
Okay, so
Shall we, can we?
was it for filing of some written notes or something?
It's an argument by the petitioner.
My lord, I'll file it.
So what about you then?
No, we haven't made a.
Oh, you have not concluded your oral argument.
I have not even started.
Okay, you have not done it. So where is Mr. Shulai? Mr. Shulai was there, isn't it?
Mr. Shulai was there.
Probably he's on next.
So what is to be done then?
Let it come after a week, Your Lordship.
He will get delayed, that the memory will erase. That is the
Exactly.
principle.
If Monday, if possible, Monday.
We'll say after a week. Saying Monday is very difficult. You see, what would be the situation we do
My
not
lord,
know.
appreciate that because when Lordship says a week, it comes after 2 weeks.
We are at the period of going through the period of uncertainty. See. So okay, just say one prayer made by MS by Lingua learned. This is met after a week. Please make sure that you make it ready and submit it. You also will submit after this thing.
Yes.
If it is possible for you, just make a written note. You do not have to make any elaborate argument. It helps the court to, you see, remember things. Okay, we'll after one. This is
Till item number 25.
25.
16 to 25.
Yes.
Abreast.
Hello.
You have still 26.
My lord, in this case, we had challenged an order passed by the learned trial court below the POXO court, recalling the witness, my lord, under 313. We have said that the order is mechanical and non-speaking. We do not deny the power that the court yields, but we say that the power was exercised without justifiable grounds or without. So, my lord, I'll have a very narrow and comparted argument in this matter. So if not today, my lord, it can taken up after.
It's up to you.
Can taken up after a week, my lord, in that case.
After a week will be possible. You do not know. Just see the roster. Otherwise, what happens? You have it after 2 weeks then.
No.
Yes. Oh, you are there, standing there for taking adjournment, isn't it?
No, my lord.
You are ready?
Actually, ready, but the conducting counsel is on next, my lord.
So that is what we are not ready then.
No.
Then just on request made by the parties, list after 2 weeks.
My lord, I had already commenced my arguments on the last day. To crystallize the issue, I may be allowed to file a small gist of my argument also.
You can say, but then this kind of matters where facts are not very
relevant,
lengthy,
my lord.
It's up to you. It will always remain open for you to give a notes on this thing, argument. But then do not submit a thesis.
No.
See, sometimes what happens, the counsels, they submit their written argument, which becomes much more thicker than the main petition. So that is what the problem is.
My lord, my note will be 1 page, maximum 2 page, nothing else.
We asked for written notes just to make our work easy, see, so that the judgment can be delivered without any undue delay.
Because my case is just one line. The petition was filed that the victim was not in the right frame of mind while coming and deposing, and agreeing to it, the court has recalled. Now, my stand is only that how did the court come to how did the prosecution come to a ground, they saying that the victim was not in the right frame of mind, and how did court come to a conclusion?
It was for whom to say that? Who could say that the victim was not in right frame? Who was the rightful person to say that?
My lord, first the victim herself. She was not a minor when she came, she was an adult. She was given an ample opportunity, chief cross re-examination.
So is it not that the victim is speaking through prosecution?
My lord, but she has deposed. In her
she had deposed, the recalling.
My lord.
So far as the ground taken for recalling, the grounds comes from the prosecution, isn't it?
My lord.
And the ground taken was that victim was not in right frame of mind.
My lord, but then court had to delve upon the issue. That's my only thing.
Okay, we'll see to it.
Highly obliged.